So hi, it's me again, Muhammad Amar. So in this video, I will be making a video about my comprehension of the error analysis. So about error analysis, we have two errors that we can obtain from an experiment. For example, firstly we have systematic error, and secondly we have random error. So systematic errors is we have four properties for systematic errors, which is first thing first, systematic error is an error that has the same sign for every data. Secondly, is constant during the time of data collection. Thirdly, cannot be revealed from the variation of obtained data. And lastly, the properties is it cannot be reduced by taking large number of data. So in systematic error, systematic error can be caused by three factors, which is the first one is incorrect calibration. For example, the incorrect calibration for what I just stated is micrometer, meter ruler, and I do not state meter ruler, but I do state in my previous video, which is the micrometer. So incorrect calibration can also be caused by incorrect calibration is caused in, for example, to the equipment, because the equipment is manufactured in factory, so it obey the factory's condition, for example in temperature, in pressure, and humidity, and whatsoever. So maybe in laboratory, in lab, the condition in lab is not same with the factory. So that is incorrect calibration that can cause incorrect calibration. So secondly, discrepancy in arrangement of experiment from theory. So in an experiment, and the equation determined can be derived by using certain assumption. So this sometimes the arrangement of experiment does not obey the condition or the assumptions. So this can cause to discrepancy of in arrangement of experiment from theory. So last but not least, the observer mistakes. For example, parallax error, which is caused by carelessness of the observer. Observer's mistake, which reading the scale wrongly, and the physical defect of the observer, such as eye problem and whatsoever. So second errors is the random errors. So in random errors, we have some certain sources of random errors, which is the first one is the uncertainty error. So most equipment require estimation for the smallest scale deviation that can be observed. So for example, meter ruler, the scale for meter ruler is 0.1 centimeter, but sometimes when we measure something, for example copper wire, the end of the copper wire is in between the scale, so that is the uncertainty error. So next one is environmental condition, which is not constant. For example, the physical environment of the laboratory, such as temperature, pressure, and voltage. So that's what it is. Minor interference. The example for this source is the mechanical vibration created by table, stool, and others, such as hammer. Mistakes. There are various type of mistakes that we do in an experiment. For example, incorrect observation technique, common mistakes performed by observer, such as parallax error, random errors, and whatsoever.